Low battery. Go fuck. How we doing, everyone? So I just got the Hoverair Pro Max drone, and I kind of want to go over how I carry it on the bike along with my other things for a ride. So basically, here's the cockpit view. We have the Hoverair beacon, the Garmin, of course, headlight, and then the Roadrunner point and shooter bag, which has been amazing, an amazing addition to my carry, my everyday bike carry, if you want to call it. And then of course we have the GoPro, all right, and then the Garmin. You know, these are all important things. Everything is accessible. I can hit record on the GoPro easily underneath. The Hoverair is easily accessible right here. It does come with a mount that this is actually a GoPro mount. The one that came with it, I threw it out because it basically jitters, and if you're going on anything adventurous, you're gonna have vertigo and you're gonna go insane. So this is very secure. It doesn't shake. It's, you know, you can watch the drone as it flies behind you, around you, above you, whatever, with this little beacon. And then of course this bag where I carry the drone, okay, and 2 extra batteries right here. All right, so highly recommended if you're, you know, going to be carrying this and you don't want to keep the drone on you, in your pocket. Keep it in a bag off your body. The bag is secure. It connects in 3 different places. I carry other cameras in the bag, okay, but really liking this setup. Really loving this bike, of course, the 9er MCR 9 RDO Magic Carpet Ride. All right, and looking forward to getting some footage on it.